Hello there, today I show you my Glyphic motion focus Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. This is a very usable product. See some of example in my previously apply. Check out, uh, see this is on kind of looking and color version, original photo, and this is the our effect looking and another effect looking. See is a work left side or right side and dual side, and also we extra decoration in smoke effect and color adjustment. See, and this is the another the 3D color effect looking. See another looking is set any type of photography perfectly. See, okay, now I show you. This is the cover photo. Go my download file, there is the action file and pattern file, our supporting information in JPG format. You can get easy very join our live support in AnyDex live support, and if you need to message me, and WhatsApp is replay fast, and others also mention. You can email me or Facebook fan page message me. This is help file how to use written format, some of information include there. Pattern need to load first, then action. How to load pattern? Select and double click is loaded, or go your Photoshop, go window and find out the pattern section, and pattern option show and more option, click input pattern, and now find out my download file, main file Glyphic motion focus. Select there the pattern only, unload button, click. Now pattern is loaded. Go window, action option, click. Now action option show maybe right side, I have set it left side for better understanding purpose. More option, click load action and find out my download file. Select action and load button, click. Now it's loaded up and down. This is the action and the action folder, and this is the action. I have opened this photo this time, or now I have closed it. Open a photo, okay, and if your photo is not enough space, so you need to make the space fast. This is extra, not action required. So okay, and I have go image size change. Image size also okay, but my video time saving purpose I have used standard size 2600 pixel. You can use any high resolution image, and make sure your photography is a RGB color mode. If not RGB color, then go image mode RGB, just click there. Is if show any message, just click OK, and make sure your photo is a lock icon show, background name is background, and lock icon show. Sometimes some photo look like transparent photography or transparent PNG photography or layer 0 format, that is not accept. You need to fix this step. Right button click and fit an image, click. Now it show like fix the photo, background layer and lock icon show. Now quick selection tool for selection purpose, this second tool, and if I select the quick selection tool, there is select subject button show. I have clicked the select subject button, and my photography is now auto select. If some area mistake, you can custom yourself. If some area mistake, you can custom yourself, or you can start brushing. Create a new layer and double click new layer. Text option, make sure the spelling is BRUSH, same spelling my BRUSH. Do not change the spelling, uppercase, lowercase, space, hyphen, comma or other character. Click the other area, because of if you change the spelling, then script make the error result. Quick now selection mode is on, and I have select the brush tool and soft brush. This is general brush section, soft brush option, default brush. Okay, select the soft brush and the brush. Now select the color, any of light color you can use, and your focus point you can brush. So this time I have only need the portrait looking, not a full area. If you want full area, you can brush full area, but I need to only portrait. Okay, I think it's done for me. and I fill up it perfectly. Now selection mode is on. I need to deselect first, then play the script. Selection and deselect now, and I have select all in on play and play action play me, and select brush layer and hit the play button. Now start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. We have include all layer in separate layer, all working in separate layer, and you can custom everything in manually. And we have a direction left, right, and top side in the masking photo focus point, so you can very easily control it. Okay, hello there, action is done working. So this is the left photo focus. We have mentioned it the left, see, left side. And this is the our glyphic option in the face and outside of the face, the glyphic. The all layer is there in the separate layer in separate option, see, everything is there. This is the glyphic option. Okay, if you need to more show this creative option, so right button click your mouse this layer, select and duplicate, and OK button click. Now is view, see, and you can again repeat it and it again show more sharp. So I think is unvisual is good, this one is a good. And you can extra shade use in the round shade, this round shade, see the round shade. Okay, and this is the our left side photography masking, and another masking style in maximum photo in this side, in the left side or middle. This is the right side option, see the right side. If your photo is right side photography, then you can use this one. And also this one is the right side, and this one is the top side. This is the top section, and this is the bottom section. So you can direction change very easily. So now this time my photography is a left side. If I open another photography like this one is a right side focus point. Okay, firstly I have introducing everything, then I show you another image. Okay, back to my main first image. Extra smoking looking, and we have include, you can custom this in smoke very easily, and there is a masking point and a brush tool select, and you can brush and is remove, and you can top color is white and brush again is add, and see the highlight color. If you brush and color is highlight, so you can highlight very easily if you think. This is another mode of smoking, and another smoking mode, the side base, and this is the center base, and this is the color adjustment in default color setting. Okay, like in the dark looking, if you don't like the dark color, you want to your realistic color, so just uncheck this folder, then your real photographic color is shown now. And I think the dark mode is perfect for glyphic style. And this is our 3D style on 3D, see, and another see, we have used three mode. You can use, this is the color changer, double click this option and very easily change the color. See, you can convert any color, just move the color option and change it, and uncheck this one and use another one. This is the faded style, like dark tone, dark color changer. You can change any color, convert. So adjustment is very easy, and editable is very easy. And now I show you another site, and check out the all color. This is the extra option in color motion, and this is the dynamic color option. You can use it. See, another one, this is extra color edit. Okay, now I have go the another photo and make space in little top, and I think is okay. My photography and size I have type there now 2600 pixel. You can use any size, that is depend of your needed. quick selection tool, select and I have created a new layer and double click, text, type there brush, and I have brushing the side. Just wait and see, only face area and need this area and do not need anything. Okay, I think is perfect for me. So deselect the selection mode and I hit the play button in my action and it's working. Wait and see. You can download this product in our Creative Market Shop MRI Studio, and also you can download our product our on-site from www.photoshopaction.net, and you can download link I have include my description. Check out the description. Okay, see the direction mode, the wrong, where is wrong, because we have a standard classic setup of left side, but this photography is a right side. This is the tricks, so you can very easily change it and use it the right side. And if you unhappy the result and not show the more option, you can custom it or you can change the direction another one. So we have two direction in on site, see, or if you want use this one but work little, so select the max point, this max, and brush the area. See, is viewing photography is now bring, and you can raise the opacity and little work. Okay, see, now is viewing, is perfect, and you can use any of them. Select this one and want to remove some area, select the marks, and there is a work. Now remove purpose, this masking work in black color. See, now is I have opacity less. See, is remove. So it is very easy, and you can remove. I have undo, check out. Okay, and now is nice, but I use this one this time, and you can use the smoking and middle center. You can use the just middle center. Okay, thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile, our Facebook fan page, and our WhatsApp number. Check out our profile MRI Studio in Creative Market. See, and our maximum product, our wall product collection is there available, and you can download this product in this site. Okay, and check out our on site. There is the biggest offer going on, the flash sale 60% now. Firstly, we have a 99% discount in flash sale, then 90%, 80%, 70%, 60%, then we have go 50%, then 40%, then 30%. So limited time, you can visit our site and check out the flash sale, and our all product is flash sale available. You can download there, and bundle option 99% discount. Check out the bundle. This bundle is 99% discount and exclusive bundle, and this bundle license is extended license we give you, not personal, not commercial. So extended license 99% discount, so is a very biggest offer. And other bundle, you can just check out this bundle offer and show our all bundle and flash sale. And also you can download free file in free file section. Check out this free file, and our Photoshop Action, you can check out Photoshop Action, this option, use this and there is the free file. See this free file. Thanks for watching this video.